In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a dotted or dashed line in Figma super fast and easy. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just starting out, this is a handy skill to have in your toolkit. So let's get started. First, make sure you've opened Figma. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and click on the login button and enter your credentials to access your Figma workspace. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Figma home screen. Here, all of your projects and design files are neatly organized. Next, navigate to your design file by clicking on the relevant project or using the search feature if needed. For today's tutorial, we'll be heading into our design test file. Once you've selected your file, the design space will open up, showing all your current work. Now let's create the line that we're going to transform into a dashed or dotted style. You can do this easily by selecting the line tool from the toolbar. It's located on the left side of your screen, represented by a simple diagonal line icon. Click it and then click and drag on your canvas to draw a line. Keep in mind you can adjust the length and orientation as necessary. With your line created, the next step is to modify its appearance. Look towards the right hand pane where you have all the styling settings available. In this section you'll see stroke. This panel controls the properties of your line. Click on stroke to expand the menu if it isn't already open. Once you've accessed the stroke settings, you'll want to dig a bit deeper into the advanced options to refine your line style. Right under the stroke menu you'll find a button labelled Advanced Stroke Settings. Click on it to reveal more customization options. Now let's change the style from a solid line to a dashed one. Within the advanced settings you'll see options for style. Click on this drop down menu to see all the available styles for your line. From here choose dashed, which will immediately transform your solid line into a series of dashes. You can play around with the dash pattern to get the look you desire, whether you're going for longer dashes or a more dotted appearance. And there you have it. With a few simple steps, your plain line in Figma has transformed into a dynamic dashed or dotted design element. This tool is incredibly useful for adding subtle visual interest or creating distinct separation lines in your designs. Thanks for watching and happy designing.